Going good. Got that first side cut, flipped it back over. This is my waste. You put something in there, like a 2x4, and I have screws that go into the wood here in the middle and then 6 inches from the ends. And then that's the other side. Sorry for the shakiness. Something like that. And the same thing for the other side. I just used a 2x4. Didn't even have to screw it. I forgot my tape measure, so I'm doing all this kind of by the eyeball. Fits in there pretty good. And then I have the 3 holes so that if I want to pull the channel over more, I just choose the further hole. I just use one screw on each side and then one in the middle. But if you want to go crazy, you can put all 3 in. So this piece turned out pretty good. Nice piece of firewood, already split via chainsaw. So there's my piece. I'm sure it's tapered skinnier on this end than it is down there, but I don't have a chainsaw or a tape measure today, so I'm doing it all by eye, and whatever the chainsaw does. But anyways, I'm thinking I might do 6x6s, or I might just toss this to the side and then start on the bottom. Maybe start when I have a tape measure or something. But there it is. And then there's the other log. Came from up there. I just pulled on it with my Chevy and made a big old rut up on the hillside there. Anyways, there it is. The 880. Alright, thanks for watching.